Hey everybody, Tom with Brite. We're here today at Texas Detailing Association, and we're going to walk in here and show them some tools and some tricks that will save them some money. So let's check out this awesome shop. Hey guys.
Hey.
Tom with Brite. What are your names?
William.
William?
Israel, nice to meet you.
Israel, all right, man. Well, we're here today to show you a few things, tools we've come up with. They've really helped a lot of people in the industry and saved a lot of time. So let's take some time and show you what we got.
Awesome.
So the first thing we did for William and his crew was to install a set of Brite skins and a Flamethrower 3 polishing light. They love the way both looked, and it really sets off this polisher. We apologize, but the audio that we had for this didn't work out, and we didn't realize till we got home. So Israel, everybody has a different position that they like there on those lights. Do you like that better up front, or do you like it up higher? Can you see yourself using it in lots of different situations, different ways?
I feel like depending at the angle you're taking the car, each way you position the light is going to benefit you. So if you got something more of a straight angle, this really just guides you which way you're going in front of you. So when you need a broader view, you can switch it back to higher. So.
And when you're out doing mobile detailing, is there some of the garages you're working in that are just not very well lit?
Oh yeah, I mean they have show cars, but not show car lighting. So at the end of the day, something like this would be useful to use in those low light garages. So this would be beneficial for sure.
All right, William. So you have a lot of nice cars in the shop, as we discussed. Do you ever run into dog hair?
Yeah, we have that one car that we have to deal with like every other day.
So it is a problem. So you didn't have any pet hair. So I guess I'm a Boy Scout. I always come prepared. So I brought some pet hair, and we're just gonna take it, and nobody tell this guy. We won't let you know what his name is. But this is that awful Chevy carpet that just likes to hold on to everything. So let's just make. Oh, this is a brand new GMC pickup, and it's got that like Velcro stuff. All right, William. So I want you to check. Does that look like that dog hair's in there pretty good?
Oh yeah, that's not coming out.
Yeah. All right. Well, I know you said you'd use a couple different types of brushes over the years, but we're gonna introduce you to something different. So what we've got here is our For Real pet hair remover, which has been a huge asset to all the guys in the detail industry. We've got our Hammerhead, which is fairly new. It covers those big, wide open, flat areas in the back of a car. And we've got our new Sidewinder crevice tool. And you can literally tie this thing in knots. It is crazy how well it works. So when you're working down between the seats or back in the back window, you can see that thing can just get right down where nothing else is gonna get, and it'll bend, turn the corners, do whatever you want to do. Anything you can find that's tough down in these door pockets where it's tough to get a normal crevice tool in, this can just get in there. All right guys, so we're gonna start out with the For Real. Now you can see all those little teeth there. Each one of them is shaped like the wing of a plane. So it has a high and a low side. We all know that creates lift on an airplane. It also creates extra for your suction. It creates more lift. It also works to clean the tool, so it doesn't let the hair just sit and get stuck there and you're constantly having to pick it out of there. This is made out of polymeric silicone, not rubber, not plastic. You can see each one of those teeth will kind of move. It's soft and easy to work with, and just pulls that pet hair kind of like a pencil eraser and sucks it away. And all right, so here we go. We're gonna do part of it with this. Best way to do this is just start going little streaks like this, and as fast as we can hit that. And you can go both ways, it doesn't matter, you can go both ways with it, but typically I like to go one way, otherwise you're pulling the hair and pushing it back in. So let's grab the Hammerhead tool. Same thing, we're just gonna go and we'll get it started. And then we're just gonna pull down through here. And right as we work through, it's just pulling that hair and sucking it away all in one step. And typically you'd use this tool on the back areas, but we've got a large flat area here, so we can just kind of hit it with that. And just so you know, guys, if you don't have a vacuum, the tool itself, the tool is what's doing the work. I can still do like every other tool on the market and just pile it up if I want to. and it's really comfortable to hold. It's not like those little card ones where when you get done, you got carpal tunnel because your hand hurts so bad. But when you get to your edges, I recommend you go back to the For Real. And you see that's self-cleaning. It's taking care of that hair itself. All right, so did we knock your socks off?
Oh yeah, that was amazing. Like to see that in real life, like it was one of the craziest things. Like that easily would have taken me 20 minutes.
It's just unbelievably fast. We put it up against every tool out there. Dog hair is no longer a nightmare. It's just something you can deal with quickly. All right, William, so I know you said that one of your problems you run into is you have dirty filters on all these. You're constantly having to spend money to buy new ones, change them, because if they don't change them, what happens?
They get clogged.
They get clogged, your suction goes away, and you lose efficiency. We haven't opened this yet. Let's just take a look and see just how bad this vacuum filter is.
Oh, boy. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's nice and nasty.
Yeah.
Imagine that was your air filter on your car.
Yeah.
Is that going to work very well?
Oh no, this is not good.
That vacuum is struggling. And not only that, you're going to burn out your vacuum motor a lot quicker. You get those bearings hot. We're going to show you something that we've invented that will make it so you'll never have to clean that again.
Okay, perfect.
All right. So what we've got here is the filter guard. This is going to fit over that. You have a drawstring at the top here. We're going to tighten that against that filter. And what'll happen is nothing will ever get in. Tell me, is that pretty slick?
Oh yeah.
It's just amazing. It's like Teflon pan slick, right?
It feels good.
Yeah, and nothing will get through it, but yet it fully breathes. Anything that hits it when you turn off the vacuum is going to drop. We've had it in shops 3-4 months now, high production shops, and after 4 months, they still haven't had to clean that.
Wow.
Would you like not having to clean filters anymore?
Absolutely.
Or buy them anymore?
If you could do that, that would save a lot of money right there.
So there we've gone. We put that filter bag on there. Very easily goes on with the drawstring and then just hangs inside of that. I'll let you put that back on there, William. What did it take you? 8 to 10 minutes to clean that filter? And you get yourself all, let's look, you get yourself all covered.
Yeah.
Here.
Like I'm a mess now. Now I gotta go shower, like.
Yeah, so that's a task that you don't mind giving up, right?
Yeah.
So an inexpensive way to make it so you're gonna have excellent efficiency all the time, that it's just another task that's off your list. Because do you have plenty of tasks on your list?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got tons of things to do. You know, you could be posting about all these Ferraris and things you're working on.
To do that between multiple vacuums, like this is not just only one. So.
Exactly. Yeah, you've got a big operation here, and Houston's a big area. You got a lot to cover. So just want to say thank you to William and Texas Detailing Association. If you guys are in town, check them out. Wonderful place, beautiful shop. And I haven't seen their work, but I'm guessing by the quality of the guys they got here, it's excellent work. Have a good one, guys.
Take care.